Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Abhilash back. Today I'm back with an unboxing video. Not of this. This is for this. So yes, this is a noise play battery which I've bought. Hope you guys have seen my other video wherein the charging port got spoiled in the motorcycle ride which I went, which was World Motorcycle Day. So I have told you the complete story wherein by mistake, I was charging my action camera which was mounted on my helmet. My camera was mounted on helmet, but something happened, so the pin broke. I tried repairing, but the repair was not successful. So I bought this particular charger, which is a battery charger where it's universal charger. You can charge any of the mobile battery or a camera. This is my old battery which I had, so I've just kept it on charge. But luckily the camera is fine, action camera is fine, but nowhere anymore I can charge using a USB cable, or I can transfer my photos or anything using a USB cable, because the USB port is completely spoiled now. So charging a camera, it will take a hell lot of time using this particular charger, even though. So I have thought of buying a spare battery so I can charge it and use it for entire ride, and like when the first battery goes out, so I'll get almost 1.5 hours of backup. So once this is done, I can directly use my new battery. So that's it for the purpose of buying this new battery. So it's time for unboxing. So here comes the box. I have still not yet opened the seal, and I am just waiting to see this. Yeah, this is made in China. And almost all the electronic items are manufactured in China. The reason behind is the cost is too less for them, and some of the items which is manufactured there, and they take it, you can give them a brand name, you can register a brand, so they will manufacture in the same brand. So I'm going to talk about that later. So this will cost you 999 rupees as per the MRP, but I got it for a sale. I got it for 500 and change without delivery charges. I bought it from Noise Play website itself. So that's it. Let me not waste your time anymore. Let me do the unboxing. Okay, this is the paper box. Okay, they have given a small cushion kind of thing. I don't know, it was not necessary. Okay, and this is the battery which I have got, but this doesn't look that great compared to my old one. The left hand which I have in my left hand, it's a new one, and this is the old one. The details are everything same, but the quality wise it's not that great. I'm gonna take the camera a little close and show you. Okay, so this is the new one, which feels little glossy. I see some marks, and this is a very cheap material I think they have used. But this is the old one. You can see this matches the camera also, because it's a matte finish, and this looks pretty premium. But there's a new one which doesn't match, doesn't look premium. It's quality wise I feel somewhere less, but I really regret after buying this camera, because I paid around 7,000 rupees. I bought this in the launch. I really suggest you guys not to go for this camera as per my experience. So the cost was too expensive, and like it doesn't support to your mobile app. I face too many issues. I raise the request but no response from them. So let me just turn on. Okay, battery says 2%. It's fine. So I don't know what will be the backup. I've never tested that. Okay, I've not inserted my memory card. Okay, so it's working fine. So for my yeah, it's on. Let me just take out this battery and put my actual original battery. So this fits very tight compared to that. Okay, it's not turning on. The battery was completely dead. I think I have to charge it completely, then I have to use it. So I really regret after buying this. So I'm planning to go for a GoPro, but just waiting to save some money and then go for a GoPro. I think something wrong. Okay, it's working fine. The new battery is working fine. The old battery, I think I have to charge it for a few more time. So this was just a quick unboxing of the new battery which I bought. So you can see there is too much of like difference. You can see this is matte kind of thing. The build, everything is super cool, but this doesn't look cool, doesn't look good. You can easily identify it looked like a duplicate one, but I bought it from Noiseplay website itself, so it shouldn't be fine. So that's it guys, it was just an unboxing of this particular battery, and do watch my videos and support me. Thank you so much for the people who have subscribed and following me on my YouTube channel, and because of your guys' love I have reached 45,000 plus subscribers, and I need your continuous support to upload more and more videos. And do check out my other channels, which I have a dedicated channel for Canada, and there is one dedicated channel for bike ride, which is Royal Legend Motorcycle Club, and dedicated channel for Canada is Abhilash Gowda Vlogs. So thank you so much. Catch you in my next video. Till that, stay tuned. Bye bye.